Hi everybody, welcome to Coloring Quackers. Today we're going to take a look inside this book. It's called Cluckin Costumes by Benji's Clubhouse. It's available on Amazon. Just type Benji's Clubhouse in your Amazon search bar and our books will show up. This book is not yet available on Etsy as a digital download, but if you show interest, I'll put it in there. We're going to take a look inside this book. This book, I was originally going to make it for Halloween, but I decided to make it for any time of the year. They are chickens and roosters and hens and chicks in costume. Some costumes may be seasonal or holiday related. Some are career related, some are fantasy. So let's take a look inside and see what we got. It's an easy to color, bold with thick lines and no background on the pages. So we'll take a look inside.